Do you have sensitive skin and struggle with finding the right skincare routine? Sensitive skin is a common issue that many people grapple with. This skin type is characterized by a heightened reactivity to certain triggers like harsh skincare products, environmental factors, or even dietary choices. Symptoms can range from redness and irritation to dryness and a tight feeling. Understanding your skin type is essential to maintaining its health. It's a bit like knowing your car's model before you go shopping for parts. When you know what you're working with, you can make informed decisions about what your skin needs and what it doesn't. Whether you've been diagnosed with sensitive skin or you've noticed that your skin often reacts to certain triggers, getting to know your skin is a journey worth embarking on. Identifying your skin type is the first step towards achieving healthier skin. Let's dive into the basics of skincare for sensitive skin. Now that we have a better understanding of sensitive skin, how do we care for it? Well, let's dive into the basics of skincare. The key steps are cleansing, moisturizing, and protecting. Let's start with cleansing. It's crucial to wash the day off, but remember, gentle is the name of the game. Opt for products specifically designed for sensitive skin, free from harsh ingredients that could irritate your skin. Next, moisturizing. Hydrating your skin is essential to keep it healthy and resilient. Again, look for products designed for sensitive skin. Ingredients like hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and aloe vera are often well tolerated by sensitive skin types. Lastly, protecting your skin. Sunscreen is non-negotiable, no matter your skin type. For those with sensitive skin, mineral sunscreens are often a safer bet as they sit on top of the skin rather than absorbing into it. Remember, the goal is to nourish and protect your skin, not to overwhelm it with harsh products. So, what does a daily skincare routine for sensitive skin look like? Well, it's all about 3 essential steps: cleansing, moisturizing, and sun protection. Let's break it down. First up, cleansing. It's crucial to start and end your day with a clean canvas. Opt for a gentle, fragrance-free cleanser that won't strip your skin of its natural oils. Remember, harsh scrubbing is a no-go. Instead, softly massage the cleanser into your skin and rinse with lukewarm water. Next, moisturizing. This step helps to lock in hydration and fortify your skin's protective barrier. Look for a moisturizer with soothing ingredients like ceramides or hyaluronic acid. Apply it while your skin is still slightly damp to maximize absorption. Lastly, sun protection. Even on cloudy days, harmful UV rays can damage your skin. Choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30. Apply generously and remember to reapply every 2 hours. Consistency is key. Stick to your routine and give your skin time to adjust. But what about specific problems like redness and dryness? Well, these are indeed common issues for those with sensitive skin. Redness and irritation may signal that your skin is reacting to an irritant or allergen. To soothe and calm your skin, consider using products formulated with anti-inflammatory ingredients like chamomile or aloe vera. Dryness and a feeling of tightness can be quite discomforting too. To combat this, ensure your skincare routine includes a hydrating moisturizer that contains hyaluronic acid or glycerin. These ingredients help to lock in moisture, leaving your skin feeling soft and supple. Now let's talk about the skin barrier. It's your skin's first line of defense against external aggressors. Strengthening your skin barrier is crucial when you have sensitive skin. Look for products containing ceramides or niacinamide, which help to fortify and repair the skin barrier. Remember, everyone's skin is different. It's all about finding what works best for you. Now, skincare is not just about products. Let's talk about lifestyle. A balanced diet, rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and hydration plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy skin. Think berries, green tea, and plenty of water. Stress management is another key factor. Chronic stress can trigger flare-ups, so find a stress relief routine that works for you. This might be yoga, meditation, or simply taking a walk in nature. Good quality sleep is also essential for skin health. It's during sleep that your skin repairs and rejuvenates itself. Aiming for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night can help keep your skin looking its best. Now, let's talk about common mistakes. Overexfoliating or using harsh products can damage your skin barrier, leading to increased sensitivity. Also, don't neglect sun protection. Even on cloudy days, UV rays can cause damage. Taking care of your skin is a holistic process. It's not just about what you put on your skin, but also about what you put in your body and how you live your life.